As I was walking along this 10 to 15 foot seawall heading towards the bridge, I look down and I see this redfish searching for food in the shallows. So I decided to throw my white curly tail at it, and it instantly nailed it. Gosh, got a red. Golly, I shouldn't. I'm over here a little perplexed, not having a clue how I'm going to try to land this thing because I'm 10 to 15 feet up in the air, and I just am trying to figure out what I'm going to do. Nice red. Out the gate. He's a nice little red. Let's let him get him good and tired. Really hope I can hoist him up here. Golly, this is gonna be tough. Let's see. We did it. We landed him. Nice fish. Dang, what is he? Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's a nice red.
Yes, it is. Let's get him.
Let's see, what is he? He's right at 23. Huh. That's perfect. It's a nice red. Perfect. Nice way to start. Let's get you back out there, dude. Thanks for biting. Man, you're just small enough for me to land. Cool. Let's get out here. Awesome. All right, we're on the board. Cool. I'm gonna have to do some sheepshead fishing. Man, I may change it up. Let's look around here and see if we see any sheep. If so, I'm gonna have to catch some crabs. Yeah, there's some sheep right here, my goodness. All right, guys. I saw a bunch of sheepshead, so I went down here and got some bait, got some crabs. So got me a few crabs, and we're gonna go down here and try to catch these sheeps. If you would like to see my fishing gear that I used to make this video, look in the description and the links will be provided for you there. I noticed this ray combing through the sand looking for food and noticed several large sheep behind it, looking for anything the ray was churning up into the water column. So I decided to toss a crab out into it to see if they would bite. Nice little sheep. Let's see, yeah, he's about 12. All right, thanks, dude. Thanks for biting.
Glad to oblige.
That was a good start. Check out this visitor that showed up.
I'm going back and here, let's just soak this thing.
Cool. Hook him right in the leg. There we go, just like that. God, there we go, got one. Nice sheep. Nice sheep. Finally, got a big one. Golly, let's go. Nice sheep. Oh, he popped off. Dang it. There we go, got it. Got him all screwed up here. What the heck happened to you, buddy? Awesome. Little guy. What is that? He's about 12. Alright. Thanks, dude. Nice fish.
I decided to fish some, but
Yeah.
right now I'm just trying to catch some crab and see what happens.
Yeah.
You just don't know.
I decided to drop a finger mullet on a Carolina rig towards the end of the bridge, and I haphazardly secured my rod against the railing. I decided to keep on fishing around the end of the bridge with a paddle tail. But you gotta be careful because I almost lost my pole quickly by not being close enough to my dropped rig. Got a red. Or I got a freaking ray. Oh, I got a flounder. Cool.
Ooh, yeah, that's a nice one. There you go.
Heck yeah.
Hell yeah. Nice.
That's a good start.
That's a real good one.
Yeah.
I think that's a keeper too, isn't it?
It's close.
What is it, 16 here?
Yeah. Nope. 15.
Really?
Yeah, he's 15.
That's a nice thing on the pole too.
It was.
Got me excited when I heard the pole go.
Dang. I was afraid it was a red.
Well, I thought that for a second. I thought we'll see your pole go.
Oh man, that sucks.
Did he swallow it?
Yeah, I'm just gonna cut it. I'm not gonna kill him.
I got pliers if you need pliers.
Yeah, I'm good. All right, cool. Nice little 15. I hope you make it, dude. Oh, got one. Got one. Oh, got a red. Let's see. Got a red here. What's up, dude? Oh, little red. Dang, beautiful red. Let's go. That's cool. Dang. Little guy. Let's see. He's 16. He's about 16. Gotta be 18 to 25 now. Cool. Thanks for biting, dude.